Hey, it's been a long time since I did a video. So, well, actually I did a video, but there was no sound, so I haven't done it, posted it or nothing, and I haven't corrected the sound. But I was sitting here fixing potholders, and my granddaughter's like, Nana, are you videoing that? I'm like, no, but I guess I should be. So I'm gonna go ahead and video this. I've got 5 potholders, and they look like crud, so I'm trying to fix them so they don't look so bad. Let me show you how bad they look and what I'm doing to them. Let me turn you around and show you. Okay, these are my 5 potholders, and as you can tell, they are very well used. This one I have already done, and all I did was cut some material and I just sewed it onto the front, and I was going to put some bias tape around it, but all I have is red, and red just doesn't look that great to me. I mean, it's okay, but I know it's just a potholder. But I want to get some white, and maybe I'll put white on there, and maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just leave it. But anyways, on this one, I am just going to leave it as it is, and I'm just going to put a piece of jean material on it. And I just got my pink on my sewing machine, and I got pink on a bobber, and I'm just going to zigzag around here, and because it's really thin, and when I use this one it burns me, and the thingy up here was broken, so I just took some pink material, and I cut pink material, and I hand stitched it inside, because this one was got burned, so I cut off the burn part, and I hand stitched a piece onto these two so I could hang it up. So I set my sewing machine on zigzag, and I just want this like around here, so when I zigzag it, it'll be zigzagged hopefully on this outside edge here and around this area. So let me go ahead and zigzag that, and I'll show you the finished project. Okay, I got this one sewn, and now I have to cut all these little stringies off, but there we go. I got the denim sewed on the back side, so hopefully I don't burn my hand now when I use this potholder. So I have 2, whoops, not that one, 2 done, well, partially done. I'm not really happy with this one because, like I said, I wanted to put some bias tape on that one, but for now we'll call it done. So 2 down and 3 to go. So I want to use this material and make one out of this, and with this I can use the bias because the red will work on it. So I will cut this out and put it on one of these, and then I'll just leave the back on, use whatever one I use, and yeah. I'll cut the material, put it on the face, and then use the bias and leave the back as it is, more than likely. I don't know. I might put denim on there. Let me think about it. Anyway, I'm going to use this material for one, and I'm going to use this material for one, so that'll be 2 of them. And then I'm not sure, but let me think about it, and then when I get that part far, I'll come back and show you what I decided. Okay, so what I decided to do with this one, I just cut out this piece of material here, and I'm just going to take this bias tape here, and I'm going to take my stick pins, and I'm going to pin this all the way around it, and then sew that on there, and I'm going to call that one good. So I will, like I said, pin this on there, sew this together, and I'll show you this one when I get done. So we will go from this to this, and that will be number 3. So let me sew that one, and I'll show you this one when I get finished with it. Well, if it wasn't a dadgum freaking potholder, I'd throw it in the trash and be done with it. My sewing machine decided to act up. I've been fighting with the bobber for a half an hour. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what happened. The thing that holds the thread on the top decided to break. The bobber, I don't know. Anyway, I'm done with the potholder, but I'm not happy with it. So I'll show it to you. And I'm going to have to fix my sewing machine before I do the other two. But this is what I got anyway. Okay, this is the last one I did here. I went ahead and sewed the red around there. Made a loop with the red. Yeah, and I just left the back on there. The original back. But that's that one. So I got 3 done out of the 5. Like I said, I just left this one original. Put the loop on it and put the blue jean back on it. It's got strings all over. Oh, I guess I need to cut them off. They're attached. Okay, I'll cut those off. Yeah, so anyway, I have 3. And like I said, when I get the sewing machine, it probably just needs a good cleaning. When I get the sewing machine figured out, I'll go ahead and do those 2. And I do want to use this material. So, yeah, I guess that will be a, excuse me, that will be a video, get that light out, video for another day, part 2 of the potholders. So, yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and that was my potholder fix and flop, both in one video. So, till next time, God bless, take care, and I'll catch you later. Alright, bye.